Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, kindly like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we will learn one more tips and tricks to remove a common mistake which we do in Go languages. If we understand these common mistakes, then maybe we become good programmer for Go language, and we will also understand this language completely. So you see, there is a program, simple program. We have a string array like this, and in this string array I want to replace the value of this, because maybe that this Mr. is not good, because my channel name is Dr. Vipin classes. So here I put Mr. Vipin classes. So I want to replace this M with D, and I want to print this value also. I just remove this, not extra code. So now I just print this value, and you will see that there would be an error. So what is the error? Cannot assign to this strings are immutable. So error is cannot assign to strings are immutable. Remember, so nothing a problem, simple code, but at first glance, if we'll see this code, we will surprise that nothing is special here, only single line of code, and we are trying to modify this code, but we are not able to modify. Why? Because in Go languages, this array is immutable, we can't change, and we're trying to modify the value. So now question arises, how we can solve this problem? So we can solve this problem like that. Set we should have a buffer here. Just I make comment this first. So we take one buff type of variable, and we create a slice with a rune like this, and I type here like this, and this is the buffer. So in this buffer I want to change the value. I say that value should be D like this. Now I want to pass the value of this buffer to S, means this S I want to pass, because this buffer is of byte type, because this buffer of byte type, it is for byte type. So I replace this value and I convert this into a string. Now if I try to run this code, it will run without any mistake, without any problem. You see, the M is replaced with D, and if I print the buff like this, in buff we will have the binary code. You see, we have a binary value. So that's why we have to convert this. So this is the slice, and we can replace the data of slice, but by using this rune keyword. So we create a slice by rune, we have a buffer, just change the value under the buffer and pass the buffer to this string. Now we can do our coding. So error is removed. Remember that if you find this kind of error, cannot assign to any variable, strings are immutable, that means string cannot be modified in Go language. That's why we have to create a slice by using a rune, like I did in this example. So I think you have learned how you can solve this common mistake. That's all in this video. If you really like this video, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.